Okay guys, akhirnya dapat juga dream car saya apakah kereta ni? Jom kita tengok. Okay, ini dia kereta yang paling seksi sekali pada saya. Okay, Porsche 911 Porsche 911. Ini ialah versi yang terkini your current model. Look at the front, tengok depan dia. Begitu cantik sekali. Depan dia sudah diempat segikan The front has been squared off. It's not really as rounded as before, especially terutamanya bahagian depan terang. Okay, sekarang kita confused sebab ini bukan engine kat belakang. So kita tak boleh panggil ini terang. Kalau bahasa Inggeris, Amerika, ini dipanggilkan terang, tapi sekarang terang kat belakang, ini dipanggilkan boot. Okay, so bahagian boot dia sudah diempat segikan. Apa yang aku cerita kalau kau tak faham, tak apa. So it has been squared off. The old 911, 997 and all the rest before was actually a rounded door, okay, to the boot. So very nice. Has been modernized. To the front, your LED daytime running lights has been integrated into the fins of that grille, and then you get your PDLS. Okay, this is a matrix. This is a matrix system. Okay, the X side matrix system. All right, and this comes with the side blinkers. Side blinkers. Hari ini kita review dalam bahasa Inggris Amerika lah. Look at the sport rims. It has been specially ordered. I've forgotten whether these are the Spider rims or whichever rims. Okay, it comes with a Pirelli 245/35 ZR20 ZR20 rims. Okay, your calipers are still the normal calipers because there are no your brakes are still the normal brakes because it's not in yellow or red. And then at the back here, size is 305/30 ZR21. Okay, so depan dengan belakang lain Depan size rim ialah 20 inci. Belakang size rim ialah 21 inci. Tebal tayar pun lain because this is rear wheel drive. You need a bigger and wider tires to hold down the car as the car accelerates. So very nice. This is one of the sexiest sports car, your daily driver. If you compare this to a McLaren, you cannot drive a McLaren every day, but you can drive a 911 every day. Okay, so it's truly very sexy. Look at it. Memang begitu cantik sekali. The new ones, they have integrated the exhaust into the bumpers. So bumper dia agak ganjil sikit. Kalau kita tengok bumper dia agak ganjil sikit. Saya tengok tunjuk dari tepi Biasa kereta dia ada body, lepas tu dia ada bumper. Yang ni dia punya body berakhir di dia punya spoiler tau. Lepas tu sini semuanya sebenarnya ialah bumper. You look the car has been redesigned in such a weird way that this part now is now your bumper. All the way under the lights, all the way is your bumper. It used to be like, if you look at a car, there's a bit of example here. You have lights. The lights are still part of the car, and then the hood, or rather the body of the car, comes down, and then you have a bumper underneath. But this is not. This is exactly under the spoiler, the lights, and then the whole thing, the whole white lump is a bumper. Kalau kau faham, kalau kau faham, kalau kau tak faham, tak apa. Okay. Just admire the car lah. Saya memang tengok, kereta ni memang cantik. Okay. Bahagian favourite saya, ini dia. Saya boleh duduk dekat tempat sini, tengok dia punya pemandangan kereta di sebelah sini. Saya boleh duduk setengah hari. Okay, memang bergaya, memang cantik. Look at the moonroof integrated straight into the rearview mirror, integrated straight into this part. So if you look at the side, the whole slab or the whole top of the car into the rear windscreen is all black, darkened out. Okay, very different styling from Porsche this time. Okay, the door handles is just like your Tesla. As you come close, this wing, this handles will come out for you to open the car. Okay, it's still a very wide body car, and in the front the styling has been changed a bit lah. Okay, so jangan cakap banyak. 911 semua orang dah kenal kereta ni, tak payah cakap banyak. Kalau kita tengok dari sini, okay, tengok ke atas bumbung dia sambung pada moonroof, moonroof sambung pada glass ke bawah, kat belakang. So semuanya gelap lah, gelap. Sebab kereta ni hitam, sebab kereta ni putih, semua boleh nampak. Oh, kita buka. Okay, tengok, begitu cantik sekali. Okay, saya tunjukkan dia punya meter dulu sebelum apa-apa. Cantik kan meter dia? Okay, kereta ni sudah ditinted gelap. Dia punya sini leather semuanya kulit lah. Kereta ni, oh, dia punya sini pun sudah elektronik lah. Saya buka lampu. Okay, sini pun dah elektronik. Wing mirror, dia punya control untuk tingkap, dan dia punya handle handle dia bukan mechanical lagi, dia macam elektronik, macam Tesla. Buka, ketekek. And then sini setting tempat duduk 1, 2, 3, kunci dan buka. Okay, ni pula buka depan dan buka belakang. Ini tidak tukar, ini dari dulu sama. Buka engine, buka belakang. Okay, dia punya seat. Oh, this is a 18-way seat. Boleh nampak Porsche ada 2 set. There's a 14-way, there's a 18-way. There's the highest level 18-way. Alright, dia punya seat dia semi leather. Sini leather bucket seat, dan sini dalam macam fabric sedikit. Ada fabric dan ada leather perforated juga. Ada lubang-lubang So memang DNA Porsche masih ada kat sini. This is your Porsche crest still there. These are extra options. So which means the person owner before this added that additional option. Okay, let's get into this car. This is one of my favorite car, so I must get inside. The door seal is here. 911 Carrera. Ini Carrera yang biasa saja. Okay, dekat tepi pintu ada 2 speaker. Satu speaker kecil, satu speaker besar. Ini ialah Bose punya sound system. Sound system Bose Okay, ini dia punya steering. Oh, sudah lain, sudah besar, sudah matang, sudah cantik. Okay, pertama sekali dia punya kulit lah. Kulit dia memang halus, memang fine leather. Dia ada drive mode. Ini ialah spek yang lebih rendah sikit. Nampak tak? Drive mode tapi spek yang lebih rendah. Spek yang lebih tinggi, anda dapat satu screen LED tau. Digital screen di sini, tapi ini spek lebih rendah, 911 saja. So maka dia tak ada. Tengok di sini Look at here. This is actually just one extension arm of this. There are no holdings to the side. So dia kosong dah. Tepi dia semuanya kosong. Nampak jari saya di belakang. So yang ini untuk Bluetooth. Yang ini untuk apa? Untuk tak tahulah apa, control yang lain. So your Porsche crest is in color. Okay, meter kat tengah masih analog. Di mana tadi saya tunjuk meter-meter di tepi tu, meter di tepi semuanya adalah digital. Sebab tu masa saya buka pintu, cepat-cepat saya tunjuk sebab saya tak ada kunci. Okay, pedal shifter. Oh, titanium boy, titanium. Sejuk. Okay, the pedal shifter is in titanium, cold to the touch. And then you get your blinkers. And then you get your, what's this at the bottom? Saya tengok. Oh, ini ialah cruise control your cruise control stock. And then here is your wiper stock. Okay, it's ridiculous. Porsche drivers do not use cruise control. I don't. Okay, so these are your light controls. Ini untuk start kereta walaupun masuk kereta keyless, ini kena pulas baru kereta akan start. Okay, dia masih menggunakan DNA yang lama. The LED screen is actually curved. You look at the screen, I show you. It's actually curved. Dia melengkung screen LED dia melengkung. Tengok kat bawah. Look at the bottom as I turn it around. Can you see that it's curved? Yeah, it's actually curved or concave. Okay, and then you have another infotainment screen here, about 11-12 inches, and then your sports chrono. Yang tu sports chrono yang lain aircon anda di sini. Your sports exhaust, dia ada sports exhaust. Dia ada ESC suspension, sports suspension Ini adalah tambahan mungkin. This is your volume and this is your the other controls Ini untuk aircon Oh, dia punya tombol-tombol macam kapal terbang boy. And then inilah gear yang paling cute sekali, di mana Volkswagen GTI MK8. Yang belum tengok review saya, sila pergi tengok review saya. Okay, dia dah guna gear stock yang macam ni, P dan manual manual, lepas tu tekanlah pedal shifter. Okay, kalau anda nak bawa santai je, masuk di jalan Okay, and then ini untuk membuka dia punya moonroof. Okay, moonroof, you can control your moonroof, you can control your rear sunshade. Okay, you only get one cup holder. The other one is there at the aircon. Okay, untuk isteri kita kena sejukkan dia, letak depan aircon, bagi dia minum sejuk sikit. Tak ada nanti dia marah. Okay, your electronic parking brakes. So I'm not sure if you can drift in this car anymore. Okay, ini dia punya glove box. Memang cantik. Ini carpet carpet. Very nice. Ada lampu ada lampu kat bawah. Ini seat sebelah sana. Okay, seat dia memang selesa. Very comfortable seat. Very comfortable seat. Sebab anda duduk menjunam ke bawah. So kaki anda semua disokong setiap masa you sit with your butt lower than your thighs. So therefore your legs, your thighs are supported all the time. Okay, this is the center console. Look, you can put a lot. There is one SIM card, SD card, and 2 USB-A. So you can charge your phone inside Because as you're driving a Porsche, you drive really damn fast, and then your phone will not be flying around. Okay, so ini dia punya konsol tengah. Piano black piano black. Would have been nicer if it's in carbon fiber Okay, ini rearview mirror dia. Jangan lupa tekan like, share, subscribe, komen. Terima kasih banyak support kita. Yang tak support tak apa. Okay, ini dia punya sun visor. Ada lampu, begitu cantik sekali. Ini pun okay, very nice. Okay, the 911 is not supposed to be too over, so it's just nice, just enough. Look at the carpets at the side, very luxuriously done. Okay, ini pintu dia. Okay, at the back, di belakang boleh duduk 2 orang saya boleh confirm, saya pernah bawa orang. Tapi orang tu kena tak boleh tinggi sangat At the back there are speakers. Okay, sebab masa tu saya bawa berapa orang? 4 orang kereta ni boleh masuk 4 orang. Tapi orang 2 yang kat belakang tu kena pendek sikit. Tapi tak selesa setengah jam, 1 jam boleh. Lebih daripada tu seksa gila. Okay, let's check out the trunk and the front engine. The engine and the front trunk. Okay. Okay, kita buka engine dan kita buka trunk or frunk. Sebab dia front trunk, so dia dinamakan frunk. Okay, ini dia punya engine. Masukkan tangan. Sikit je. Okay, you don't get to see much. You only get to see the place where you, I don't know, add pressure, add oil, and then your 2 fans, and then you must use Mobile 1 because Porsche recommends Mobile 1. Okay, the rest of it you leave it to the professionals. You only can see this. Itu saja yang anda boleh nampak. Barang lain tak nampak. This comes with a 3.0 engine 3.0 engine. Okay. Okay, this is the front, or this is the frunk. Check out the frunk. Yeah. Okay, it has hydraulics, so I will let it go. There are no insulation at all because there's no engine, so there's no sound. But how big is the frunk? You get a safety triangle, you get a bit of netting, you get LED light, and then this is all the space you have. You can actually fit a 20-inch cabin bag. Boleh masuk cabin bag 20 inci, 2 biji. Dan di sebelah ada sikit lagi ruang. Okay, bag yang lembut. So itu saja. Kalau nak pergi jalan-jalan dengan 911, jangan bawa bag besar. Tak boleh. But I think if you go to Porsche, kalau anda pergi ke Porsche, dia ada bag yang boleh masuk dah. Porsche has designed their luggages to fit into this, to maximize the space. So that's all for your frunk. So itu saja review kita untuk 911 yang terbaru, kereta idaman saya. Terima kasih banyak kerana sokong kita. Harap-harap kita sampai 6 juta subscriber, saya boleh beli kereta ni, anda boleh duduklah. Okay, jumpa lagi. Bye.